What are you doing? Searching my bag?
Yeah, for the baby cola.
Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it. Oh, I want it. Let's go.
New fashion trend. Didn't have more room for a beach bag, so I've got.
This is the new 2022, 2023.
Yeah, Bali Fashion Week from Indomart. Do you know where to go?
To the beach.
To the beach, yeah.
I will check on Gulu Gulu.
In Gulu Gulu.
Alright.
So ladies, if you are searching for nice bags, go to Indomart.
I think we are Sanur Beach, yes?
Yes.
We are on the
right path?
Yes.
Oh yeah. That's
Billy, at Billy's cafe we need to make a left. So after Indomart.
So we have to search for Billy.
Billy.
Where is Billy Boy?
Ah, Billy Boy.
Billy Boy, yeah.
So yeah. 10 minutes, 12 minutes walking.
No problem for us. We are used to it.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Here in Bali, I think everybody is well aware of what's going on.
Yeah.
A lot of people filming.
Yeah, a lot of content creators.
Right. Okay. And hey.
And as for walking, we are used to. We will also be searching for a bus stop again, maybe?
I know. I've had enough.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Senor.
Yeah. Today very nice weather, very hot.
Yeah,
I think.
and it's 12 p.m. and we are going to the beach.
We are always like this. We plan to go in the morning,
Yeah,
but then we are lazy. We are ramping up quite slow. Coffee, breakfast, another coffee.
From Papulan Express.
What is this?
I think another market.
We can have a look.
Yeah, because I want coffee.
Again?
Yes. Bali coffee doesn't suit
Let's
my...
see.
We have arrived at the beach.
It's nice and calm, but no any sunbeds and most important, no umbrellas. So far.
Yeah. But the whole beach
Enemies.
looks nice.
Yeah.
Why enemies?
Yeah, because they're thinking they will try more, but they had some plans.
Yeah, and they love plants.
I love those.
Uh-huh.
Seeing them in nature mostly. Or if we would stay at the house.
Yeah. We had to walk a little bit more because we've seen a pack of dogs, I think 5 or 6 dogs, and I didn't want to go near them.
Even after 2 girls went.
Yeah, but dogs can sense my fear, and you know. I think it's a big group. Yeah.
Electric, yeah?
I think so.
Sounds like electric bikes. Very dangerous.
Oh, come on. You always make fun of me.
So I still cannot see any umbrella.
I think maybe there's just public beach. You will lay on your towel and that's all. Oh, so beautiful.
mostly corals.
Yeah.
Fuck, my God.
The smoothie bowls in Bali are delicious.
Very refreshing.
And delicious.
Mhm.
Super healthy.
Rain just started.
No problem.
Hey guys, we arrived at the beach. We had the smoothie bowl, and then I was planning, okay, after I eat, I will play with the drone.
And of course.
And of course, now it's heavy raining. It's only us remaining on the beach. Everything is covered up. But now we are sheltering below the umbrella and just enjoying. Anyway, it was expected because we had the drone with us.
Yeah.
Let's hope it will calm down. Let's hope that it will stop.
It will stop. I can feel it. To play with the drone.
Not on again, it will start work.
Yeah.
But I think 300 meters from here at least, it's nothing. It's
Because they don't have a drone.
yes, they don't have us. So hopefully it will get better.
Yes, hopefully.
We're getting much better. Sorry. We are at a shelter still after maybe an hour. You can see. I don't know, but I think you can hear. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here we found a place where it's not dropping too much. It is here. From the ceiling.
But I'm having the fun of my life, honestly.
Yeah, I think we will maybe take a coffee.
Yeah.
And then
pray.
and pray, and after I will go. You will sit here with the luggage, and we will go to. I will go to find an umbrella
Yeah.
so we can go because now
And find me please some sunscreen.
sunscreen, yes, must have.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.